guys, today I was planning that me, Dexter, Sydney and Buckwheat could go to the beach. Not with the kids because as you all know they're grounded right now. So let's have a good time today.
We agreed to invite Sydney and Buckwheat because I want to see how sensible they can be at the beach since last time they were a little bit too crazy. Well, let's see how they do.
Did someone say beach?
Yes, and we've agreed to invite you as long as you're sensible.
Yay! Are you excited, Buckwheat? Yeah, totally. Sure is fun playing with this bottle.
Yeah. Especially Dexter's bottle. Did someone say my bottle? Where?
Oh, no, this is definitely not your bottle. This is not your bottle I'm holding right now. It's my bottle. I'll go put it back.
Okay. As long as nothing bad's happening, good. Ooh, that was a close one. Ruby?
Yes, Dexter?
I'm pretty, hot. I think I'll go for a swim in the sea.
Yeah, sure. I might join you in about 5 or 10 minutes.
Okay, cool, bye. Ah, what a lovely day for a swim. Ooh, is that a floaty? It looks like a shark fin floaty. Oh, wait, it is a shark! It's chasing me! Go away!
Hi!
Kimi! Kimi, you were at home. You were grounded. What? How did you get out? You're not supposed to be here.
Oh, just with my help of my brother.
You're both grounded until you're adults. You're so naughty, both of you. Actually, no, you're not grounded. We're going to keep an eye on you at all times. You're not going to go out of our sight.
Let's see about that, shall we?
What did you say?
Nothing.
Okay, Zack and Kimi, follow along. Sydney, can you guess what Kimi and Zack did?
No, what did they do?
They pretended to be a shark and pretended to put my life in danger.
Cool job, Sydney and Zack. Zack and Kimi, that is very irresponsible of you. How could you to your beloved Dexter?
You two are not going out of my sight. I'm going to keep an eye on you two. And you too, Sydney. I don't completely trust you yet. Well, that beach day was pretty disastrous.
Yes. Everything has to go wrong, doesn't it?
It's just because of our two naughty kids.
I really think we should get them ungrounded. They don't deserve it.
Yes, they're ungrounded, but they're not coming out of our sight. Hey, do you think we should get someone to watch them?
Yeah.
Apart from Sydney, I still don't trust her.
How about Buckwheat?
Buckwheat, no. Maybe their teacher Gilbert?
Yeah, sure. How about that?
Okay.
Hope you guys enjoyed that vid. Remember to like, and if you don't want a shark looking at your door, subscribe. Bye.